In additive manufacturing, quality is everything. But inspecting 3D printed polymer parts during the process has always been a challenge, until now. Relimetrics, together with Fraunhofer IKTS, is launching a breakthrough service, OCTVision, AI-powered inspection for 3D printed polymers. By integrating state-of-the-art OCT sensors into the workflow, OCTVision enables high-resolution cross-sectional analysis of 3D printed parts, both offline after printing and in real time during the build. OCT sees what the eye cannot: cracks, delamination, voids, and porosity inside the material. Layer thickness mapping and interface visualization for precise process control. Adhesion strength assessment, revealing weak bonding before it becomes a failure. Reference studies show OCTVision can deliver results comparable to µCT, at a fraction of the time and cost, with seamless inline integration. Relimetrics adds the power of AI. Deep learning models, trained directly on OCT volumes, identify defects instantly during the build. Through the ReliVision platform, these AI models are easy to deploy and maintain. No coding, no data science required. With OCTVision, perform offline assessment of 3D printed parts to uncover hidden defects before they reach your customer. When integrated inline, detect issues in real time before the print is finished. Measure what matters, layer by layer, bond by bond. Ensure reliability, reduce waste, and scale quality assurance like never before. Relimetrics, AI you own. Trusted by leaders in high precision, high variation manufacturing. Get started with OCTVision today.